Hey guys, welcome back to Ezinne'S Kitchen. You're very welcome. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you, okay? On today's episode, I'll be making this delicious peppered and vegetable liver. So without wasting much of your time, let's delve into the video. Over here, I have my varieties of peppers. I have long sweet pepper, red bell pepper, onions, 1 tomato, garlic, and ginger. Then I have my chili peppers. You can make use of habanero if that's what you prefer. Over here, I have my liver. I have my not my liver, not my kidney. I mean cow liver and cow kidney. Okay, so I have fresh kidneys and fresh liver. I'm gonna have to wash that thoroughly. I'm gonna go ahead and chop everything into tiny chunks, then I'll get back to you. And over here, I am done with the cutting of the liver and the kidney. So to this empty pot, I'll be adding everything in there. And I'm going to start seasoning immediately by adding my grated garlic and grated ginger. And next, I'll be going in there with my chopped onions. I'll be adding beef seasoning powder, chicken seasoning powder, oregano, salt, and a seasoning cube. I'm going to give it a very good mix to combine. Then I'll cover this pot and let it cook on its own juice for at least 6 to 7 minutes. This liver has lots and lots of juice, okay? Don't add water when cooking it. Just cover and let it cook for 6 minutes. And after 6 minutes of cooking, it has produced its own juice. As you can see, we have lots of juice in there. So now I'll be adding a little bit of water. I'll cover again and let it cook for another 6 minutes. And this is 6 minutes later. It is done cooking. Next, I'm going to remove everything from the pot. I don't need the stock, okay? We don't need it. So when I'm done removing it from the pot, I'm going to introduce a little bit of oil to this same pot. Then I'll be adding back the cooked liver to fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes. The essence of adding a little bit of oil is to fry the liver and the kidney halfway, okay? If you want to thoroughly fry the liver and the kidney, go ahead and add much oil, then fry deeply and scoop it out, but you have to reduce your oil afterwards. Yeah, so to this same oil, I'll be adding my blended mixed peppers, garlic, and ginger, and I'll leave it to fry for 7 minutes more. And this is 7 minutes of frying. It is time for me to season. I added my chicken seasoning powder. I'll be adding a little bit of salt, and I'm going to add seasoning cube. I'll mix thoroughly for everything to combine. Then I'll reintroduce the fried liver and kidney. I'll mix well to combine, and I'll cover my pot and let it cook for the next 2 to 3 minutes. This is to make sure they marry each other, like the sauce penetrates well into the liver. And after 3 minutes of cooking, my kitchen smells lovely at this point. It is time for me to add my vegetable. I made use of spinach and frozen kale. You can make use of any vegetable of choice, like ugu leaf or green, if that's what you prefer, okay? I'll off my cooker and mix for it to combine. Do not cook this further. The heat in this pot is going to wilt the veggies, yeah? So I mixed well and I served. Guys, this tasted absolutely delicious. I would love you to give it a try and let me know what you think, okay? I want to say a very big thank you for watching. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed. I love you. Bye-bye. Bye.